I get asked all the time how to do brow lamination. Step one is prepare the brows, clean them, brush them into the direction that you want and apply step one or the perming solution. This is going to soften the hair, break down the chemical bonds within the hair to allow the hair to take its new shape. So I'm going to cover it with cling film, leave it for the desired amount of time. This product takes 6 minutes. Then I'm going to comb through the excess product to make sure that it's all gone before I go in with the next step. So combing the hair again into the direction that you want the hairs to sit, and then apply step two. So step two will go over and then we put the cling film back on and leave it for the desired amount of time. The cling film speeds up the process, so don't leave it on for too long. Don't apply it too thick. If you leave it on too long, you're going to singe the hair. So this is step two we're going on with, and this is the fixing solution. So this fixes the hair into its new position. Then we remove it, comb through, remove all of the excess, and then we're going to apply step three or the nourishing solution. We're going to brush the hairs into the direction that the client wants, into the desired shape that she wants, not what you want, because you remember it's all about the client, it's not about you. Then we're going to tint. So we're tinting the hair, and remember the tint doesn't need to stay on for too long because of the chemical process of the perming and the lamination. The tint is going to take so much quicker. So if you are used to leaving on tint for 10 minutes, you'll only be leaving it on for about 3 or 4 when you've done a lamination, because it will take so much faster. If you want to find out how to start your very own billionaire brow business, you need to get in contact with me. I'm Sarah Naylor, and I'm going to help you nail it in your hair and beauty business. Follow me for more tips on how to create the perfect billionaire brows, billionaire lashes, or billionaire nails. If you want to know more, follow me, Sarah Naylor Academy, or email me, sarahnayloracademy.com.